In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a station style. If you look in the chart at the bottom of your screen, you'll see cashier is highlighted in green and written in white. That's what a station style looks like. Your station style colors will show up places like your home page, in your schedules, in your overview charts, things like that. To create a station style, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Then select your enterprise. You do need enterprise level permissions in order to create and apply station styles. So click on TeamWork again and select Organization. You should arrive at your Organization's settings page. Go to your new top menu bar and select Custom. From the drop-down menu, choose Style. You should arrive at a list of your current styles. To create a new style, click Add in the upper right-hand corner. Now give your style a name. In keeping with my color theme, I'm going to call this yellow. If you changed your mind and you don't want to create this station style, click Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Save. And now that style has been created. But right now it's blank. To add your style colors, click on that style's name, and now you can finish creating that style. First, decide what you want the text and background to look like. Since I called this yellow, I'm going to click this arrow, and I'm going to make the background color yellow. Now I can choose the text color. If I leave it blank, it'll be set at the automatic. I'll click this arrow, and I'm going to choose, we'll say, a dark blue. Now decide if you want that text to be regular, bold, or italic. I'll go ahead and click the bold box. Then choose your link settings. Do you want a link text to be a slightly different color? Maybe I do, so maybe I will click this arrow, and for my link, I'm going to make it a green. Next, decide how you want your link font to be formatted. If you want your link font to be formatted differently from the main font, you need to click the Override box. Then you can select bold or italic underneath that override to decide how you want your link font to be formatted. I'm going to leave that alone because I want my link to be formatted the same way as the rest of the font. I can also decide to put a prefix or postfix by the station. If I were to type something into that prefix box, whatever I type there would appear before the station. If I type it into the postfix box, it'll appear after the station. I'm going to go ahead and leave those alone. If you're happy with your changes, choose Save. Notice a green save bar has appeared next to your blue save button, letting you know when this page was last saved. Now your new style is created and ready to go. To add a style to a station, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork, then select Stations. Choose the station you want this style to apply to. I'll go ahead and click on Bus, then select Style. I will choose that yellow one we just created. To have that style go into effect, click Save. Another green save bar has appeared, letting you know when this page was last saved. Now go back to your list of stations by clicking on Stations. As you can see, Bus is now highlighted in yellow, and it is a dark blue bolded font. That's how you can add and apply a style in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to edit and delete your styles.